We're taking a look at this mean machine right here. Right now, I actually have the answer, but let's fill you into the story. So this particular vehicle was purchased for dirt cheap because it did not start. So fortunately, when we picked it up, it did start and run. So we were like, wow, that's great. Wow, we don't have to, flat it out of here. Anyways, long story short, got it back to Sukasa here, with the rest of the fleet, and now we can't start it. What do you know? So, long and short, been digging into this, had to dismantle quite a couple pieces, just to get some access and so forth. Long and short though, you got a quick rundown here. This particular vehicle does have a new switch in it. So with that new switch, everything's much more functional. Pardon my fingers here. Let's get you back in it. So initially, when this vehicle was having its issue, you'd get display, go to crank, and you would get nothing. You'd hear maybe a little tick down here by the gear shifter, but that's about it. Not coming from the starter solenoid. Long and short, I went down in here, pulled out this handy relay. So, and thankfully I had some great literature that I found online. But we've gone ahead and, I don't know if you can see this easily, but we've hooked up a jumper wire. Can you see that? Anyways, got a jumper wire going to pin 50F and 50E. So basically one piece of wire basically going from this terminal to this terminal. Just took two spade connectors and put them together on a piece of wire. Worked out great. And then here for my resource, I found online, this is the alarm system information manual for Volvo 850s. And if you can see here, for testing purposes, I needed to find out where the issue was, and it goes from the ignition switch, which I just replaced, out to the alarm, and then from the alarm to the PMP. Well, I just shotgunned it, got everything, PMP's still on the way, but in the meantime, I was testing on this guy down here, and that's where we found where the issue has been resolved. So no PMP switch on this guy. However, it does need a new relay for the control module. So you can see there, if it doesn't crank, go to the next step. But we got crank. So we just need to replace the control module. So excellent win on this one, gentlemen. I'll post some links down there in the bottom for some of you that have been trying to resolve your no crank, no start issue for your Volvo 850. Here's a little victory for everyone. Yeah, that has everything unplugged. As you see, I've gutted the interior so I can have access. So we'll put it all back together and get another relay in there. In the meantime, this will stay as it should.